The LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys how to connect your YouTube channel to your Twitter account. It's very easy. So if you guys have a Twitter account, you can connect to your channel here on YouTube, and you can let your Twitter followers know when you guys like a video, upload a video and stuff like that. So this is pretty cool if you guys want to connect with your subscribers on YouTube on Twitter. So this is a great way to do it, and it's very easy to get it set up. So all you guys do is go to your video manager here, as you guys can see. Go to your channel icon right here, click on this, and you guys will see these settings. Click on the settings icon right here. And you guys will be brought to the screen right here, and you guys want to go to the far left right here, and you guys will see a whole bunch of options. Go to connected apps right here. Go to connected apps right here. Click on that, and you guys will have an option to connect your Twitter to your channel on YouTube, and you guys will be able to share your public activity on Twitter, like you're uploading videos. You added it to a playlist, you like the video, and you set the playlist, and etc. So what you guys want to do is go to connect here. We'll bring up this little window here, and you have to sign into your Twitter account. So make sure that you guys do that. It has to authenticate the app, so authorize Google to use your account. You have to give it permission to do that, obviously. Just click on the authenticate app there. Redirecting you back to the application. This may take a few moments, so it's gonna see I am already on Twitter. See, it already connected my Twitter account, because I'm guessing I was already logged in, so it's on my Twitter. And once you guys get done with that, click OK here. Click save down here, and it should save your stuff. So and you guys can also edit these as well. So you can upload a video, like a video, and stuff like that. And then once you guys get done choosing what option you want, you just click on save again, and it will save your changes. So this is a great way to connect with your followers on Twitter. If you guys want to do that, it's really easy. Just go to your video manager, go to your channel icon on the upper right hand corner, click on the settings, go to connected apps, and you guys will be brought to the screen here, and you guys just log into your Twitter account. I was already logged in, so that was painless for me. So yeah, that's really easy. It's really simple, and it's a great way to be interactive with your subscribers on Twitter. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.